Hi, I'm Nabiilabee. My name is Nabila. I have been on YouTube for 10 whole years and I thought, you know what, I haven't done an introduction video to me so you guys know exactly who am I in such a long time, and so much has happened since I last did one. So I thought, why not sit down and tell you guys a little about me and you can get to know me in case you don't. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm a lifestyle influencer and YouTuber, and if you're interested in anything to do with lifestyle, motherhood and home and fashion, then subscribe because this is the place for you. And I basically started YouTube back in 2011 in February, and I started off doing fashion and beauty. Obviously, having grown up on YouTube literally for the last decade, I now do a lot more content based on my children and my home life because that's my reality now. So I am half Algerian and half Russian, and both my parents have Turkish mixed into them, which is so complicated. I won't go into my heritage because it's so long. When I started YouTube in 2011, I was in my first year of college, and this is where I was finding myself, finding my style. I was working a lot with color because I just loved it, and back then like hijab and color like was very new-ish, especially in the UK. So it's something that I loved doing. Started making YouTube videos literally accidentally, and here we are now. I studied A-levels at college, and one of them was fashion and textiles, which I then went on to do fashion design at university. I studied at Coventry University here in the UK. So I live in the UK and I live in Birmingham. That's probably, my accent is from there. So yeah, and then after university I went on to do a lot of traveling, and after that I met Ahmed, my husband, who we got married. I was 23 at the time, and then I had Nazmia, my daughter, who's 2.5 now, and I was 24 when she was born, and Ilyasin I just had 4 months ago, and I'm currently 27 years old. So that's a little background story about me. I was born in Kyrgyzstan, which used to be part of Russia, but it's not anymore. So it used to be part of the USSR, but I spent a lot of my childhood growing up between Kyrgyzstan and Moscow and other parts of Russia, but I remember Moscow a lot. My grandparents live in Kyrgyzstan, which is why we were there and why I was born there. My parents are very big travelers, as you can tell. And then I moved to the UK when I was 6 years old, and it was really nice having lived in another country and experienced different cultures. And I feel like that's what made me start YouTube, because I just felt like I didn't belong anywhere, I didn't fit in anywhere. And then when I started changing up my style, I noticed that there was only 3 other people at the time doing it. So I thought, why not jump on and do it? It was literally an accident because so many people would ask me how to style my hijab and how I do my scarf styles, and I thought, why not create some YouTube videos? 10 years later, we are here, and it's my full-time job. I absolutely enjoy, like, I love making content. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. It's Nabiilabee. I share a lot more of the realities of being a mother and how it's going, and also just little fashion bits here and there and beauty and things I love. That's basically it about me. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me down below. I make so many videos, so if you want to know anything, I have playlists which I will link them down below in the description, and you can check it out, watch more of my videos. Please like, subscribe and share, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload videos. I upload once a week, and yeah, they're mainly vlogs of the realities of being a mom, but then I obviously change it up and do cool stuff that I enjoy as well. And yeah, anyway, enjoy watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.